Hello everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Yoga Day. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Every year, June 21 is observed as the International Day of Yoga. The celebrations aim at promoting awareness of the enduring benefits of the ancient practice known as yoga. Now let's discuss about International Day of Yoga, that is IDY 2023. This year marks the 9th edition of the International Day of Yoga. PM Modi will lead a yoga session at the UN headquarters for the first time. The theme for International Yoga Day 2023 is Yoga for Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, which encapsulates our collective aspiration for one earth, one family, one future. Now moving on to background. PM Modi proposed the idea of a dedicated yoga day during his address to the 69th session of the UN General Assembly in 2014. The UN proclaimed 21st June as IDY by passing a resolution in December 2014. The first Yoga Day celebrations in 2015 at Rajpath in New Delhi created 2 Guinness World Records. It was the world's largest yoga session with 35,985 people, with 84 nationalities participated in it. Now let's discuss about yoga and its significance. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental and spiritual practice that originated in India. The word yoga is derived from Sanskrit and means to join or to unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. It is practiced in various forms around the world and continues to grow in popularity. It not only helps to reduce stress, anxiety and depression, but also improves flexibility, strength, balance and endurance. Practicing yoga regularly can help improve lung function, reduce symptoms of asthma, and even improve the quality of life for people chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD. The World Health Organization or WHO has also asked its member states to practice yoga and has included it in its Global Action Plan for Physical Activity 2018-30. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding Yoga Day 2023. 1. This year on June 21, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lead a yoga session at the UN headquarters for the first time. 2. The theme for International Yoga Day 2023 is Yoga for Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.